Ladies and gentlemen, today I would like to provide a brief overview on the importance of seagrass beds, which is one of the vital but more frequently ignored ecosystems on our planet. These underwater ecosystems are not just beautiful, they are essential for the for the health of our ocean and the well-being of our communities, especially for the countries like Sri Lanka. What are the seagrass beds? Seagrass beds are one of the coastal resources like coral reef, sand dunes, and mangroves, and salt marshes, etc. etc. Seagrasses are flowering plants which grow in shallow coastal waters. Unlike algae, they are having roots, stems, and leaves, forming a dense ecosystems under the water. In Sri Lanka, we are fortunate to have many species of seagrasses, and so far, 15 seagrass species have been recorded in Sri Lanka, mainly distributed along the northwestern coastal lines from Puttlam Lagoon up to the Jaffna Peninsula. Seagrass beds hold significant economic and ecological importance. They provide critical habitats to mammals, fish, etc., etc., and they also serve as primary food source for the endangered species like green sea turtle. These seagrass beds also play a crucial role in combating climate change by absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. These seagrasses are estimated to sequester carbon at a rate up to 35 times faster than tropical rainforest. Therefore, this is very crucial in mitigating the impacts of global warming, especially for the island nation like Sri Lanka. In terms of water quality improvement, these seagrass beds help filter pollutants and sediments from seawater, improving overall water quality. This is very important in the countries like Sri Lanka, where the coastal waters are often threatened by urban runoff and agricultural practices. These seagrass beds also provide foods, which means that 20% of fishery are supported by the seagrasses. In terms of recreation, these seagrass beds provide fun places for the activities like swimming, snorkeling, and fishing. In terms of coastal protection, these seagrass beds act as natural barriers, reducing the wave energy and protecting coastal erosion. In a country like Sri Lanka, where many communities depend on the coast for their livelihoods, this is the protecting of these seagrass beds is very vital for the safeguarding of our ocean flow. All in all, these seagrass beds are very vital to our marine ecosystems and our livelihoods. As we celebrate the World Seagrass Day 2026, let's commit to safeguard, let's commit to protect our seagrass beds for our future generations. Thank you for your attention, and let's work together to safeguard our seagrass beds and the rich biodiversity they support. Thank you.